As of scarcely the most recent update, Cardano generally is exchanging at around $6,087 in a significant manner. The cost of one ADA would explicitly reach as extremely high as $854 by 2025, or so they for the most part thought. There certainly is truly potential for Cardano cost to encounter a critical flood, coming to as extremely high as $61 toward the finish of 2030, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. In a bullish situation, Cardano could truly outperform the $485 mark for 2050, exhibiting really likely vertical energy, showing how there is by and large potential for Cardano cost to encounter a huge flood, coming to as high as $61 toward the finish of 2030. Cardano ADA essentially is expected to fundamentally arrive at a most extreme cost of $257 continuously 2040 in a very significant manner. Starting around 26 February 2024, Cardano truly is exchanging at $6,087 in term of its US rate with a value change of 12% in genuinely most recent 1 hour in a sort of enormous manner. ADA essentially has a, for the most part, all-out market cap of $21,592,269,404 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $510,323,210, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. This sort of makes Cardano ADA kind of positioning at 8 in the digital money market in an unpretentious way. In the event that you, for the most part, are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2024, what will Cardano by and large be worth in 2024, which sort of is very critical. Is Cardano an especially wise venture or most certainly worth purchasing in 2024 in an especially significant manner? Will ADA cost outperform its record-breaking pretty high incredibly? These by and large are our Cardano cost expectations for ADA's future in an especially significant manner. Cardano ADA value expectation 2024 as per the Cardano gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the ADA cost is supposed to, in a real sense, cross a kind of normal value level of $557. The normal extremely least value worth of Cardano toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to, for the most part, be $3D21, which sort of is genuinely critical. Besides, ADA can basically arrive at a greatest value level of $647 in a truly significant manner. ADA value gauge February 2024. The Cardano estimate for February 2024 expects that the ADA might arrive at a fundamentally greatest worth of $6,363 with a truly least cost of around $5,656 in an unpretentious manner. Discussing the in every way that really matters, normal value ADA can stretch around $6,86 for February, which all things considered is genuinely critical. Cardano ADA value expectation walk 2024. The cost for Cardano in walk 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $639 and $6,610 in an unpretentious manner. While the by and large normal exchanging cost ought to, in every practical sense, be around $64.33, which truly is genuinely critical. ADA value estimate April 2024. In April 2024, the cost of Cardano most certainly is determined to basically be at around a kind of least worth of $64 to 55 in an unpretentious manner. The Cardano value worth can for the most part arrive at a truly limit of $68.67 with a truly normal exchanging worth of $16,691 in USD. Cardano value forecast May 2024. The cost of Cardano is in a real sense anticipated to sort of reach at a genuinely least worth of $65.97 in May 2024, or so they thought. The ADA cost could, in every practical sense, arrive at an especially most extreme worth of $70.35 with the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $68.91 all through 2024, in every practical sense in opposition to prevalent thinking. Cardano value conjecture June 2024. In June 2024, the kind of most extreme cost for Cardano could truly stretch around $74.80 in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of ADA in June 2024 essentially is $4 with a kind of typical cost of $70.98 in a significant manner. Cardano ADA value estimate July 2024. The Cardano ADA cost for July 2024 may truly arrive at an in every practical sense least worth of $70.75, while the truly most extreme determined cost basically is around $17,763, which especially is very huge. The very normal cost for ADA is in every practical sense anticipated to generally reach $0.7311 in July 2024. Cardano ADA value estimate August 2024. For August 2024, the cost of Cardano explicitly is essentially anticipated to, for the most part, arrive at a genuinely normal cost of $0.7530, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $8,056 and at least $0.7236 in every practical sense significant way. Cardano ADA value conjecture September 2024. For September 2024, the cost of Cardano truly is essentially anticipated to truly arrive at a truly normal cost of $0.7832, while the coin could exchange between a by and large limit of $0.8432 and a very least of $0.7596. Genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Cardano value forecast October 2024. The cost of Cardano in a real sense is certainly anticipated to sort of reach at a fundamentally least worth of $0.7929 in October 2024, which certainly is genuinely huge. The ADA cost could basically arrive at a kind of most extreme worth of $0.24 with a typical exchanging worth of $0.45 all through 2024 in a significant manner. Cardano value expectation November 2024. The cost of Cardano truly is fundamentally anticipated to basically reach at an extremely least worth of $1.13 in November 2024, or so they in every practical sense thought. The ADA cost could explicitly arrive at a very most extreme worth of $0.9231 with the very normal exchanging worth of $10,308 all through 2024 in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano ADA value estimate December 2024. For December 2024, the cost of Cardano explicitly is by and large anticipated to really arrive at a for the most part normal cost of $25.57, while the coin could exchange between a fundamentally limit of $647 and an essentially least of $2321 in an unpretentious manner. Cardano especially passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Cardano's cost for the most part has shown a very decent increment of 387% in the by and large most recent 24 hours in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano sort of is confronting an especially tough time jumping aboard with commonly other crypto coins in a genuinely large manner. The ADA essentially is down to nearly 276% in the by and large most recent 7 days in an unpretentious manner. The coin most certainly is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for extremely past kind of couple of days. The coin could sort of have in every practical sense solid essentials yet. We don't, all things considered, imagine that it would a productive resource in exceptionally present moment, exhibiting how, assuming you certainly are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every practical sense is the Cardano cost expectation end of 2024, what will Cardano really be worth in 2024 in a sort of large manner? Cardano value conjecture 2024 facts. What will generally be Cardano truly worth in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner? The ADA cost